If Lucidchart keeps crashing, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to your diagram without losing time. This is a simple troubleshooting guide for anyone who opens a Lucidchart file and sees it freeze, reload, or crash before the page fully loads. We'll start with the easiest test, then move through browser fixes, cache clearing, VPN checks, and finally trying another browser if needed. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Lucidchart in an Incognito window. If you're using Google Chrome on Windows, press Ctrl, Shift and N together. If you're on a Mac, press CMD, Shift and N together. This opens a private browsing window with fewer extensions and less stored browser data interfering with the site. Now sign into your Lucidchart account and open the document that has been crashing. This first test is important because it helps us figure out whether the problem is coming from your browser setup or from the document itself. If the file opens normally in incognito mode, that's a strong sign that something in your regular browser is causing the crash. If it still crashes even in incognito, don't panic, just move on to the next step. Next, disable your browser extensions. Open a normal Chrome window and type Chrome//extensions into the address bar, then press enter. You can also click the puzzle icon at the top of Chrome and manage your extensions from there. Once you're on the extensions page, turn off anything that could interfere with Lucidchart, especially ad blockers like AdBlock, uBlock Origin, and privacy-focused extensions. These tools can sometimes block scripts, break editor features, or prevent a cloud app from loading correctly. After disabling them, go back to Lucidchart and refresh the page, then try opening the same document again. If the crashing stops, one of those extensions was likely the cause. If not, continue with the next fix. Now let's clear your browser cache, which is another very common reason web apps like Lucidchart stop behaving properly. In Chrome, open Settings, then go to Privacy and Security. From there, click Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. These stored files can become outdated or corrupted and cause repeated loading issues. Once those options are selected, click Clear Data. After that, restart Chrome completely, then open Lucidchart again and test the same document. A fresh browser session often solves random crashing issues, especially if the app updated recently or your saved files are conflicting with the current version. If Lucidchart is still crashing, the next thing to check is whether a VPN is involved. Disconnect any active VPN and refresh Lucidchart. Sometimes a VPN changes your network route in a way that causes document syncing or loading problems. If you can, try switching to a different network as well, such as a mobile hotspot. That helps confirm whether your current internet connection is the issue. Once you reconnect, open the document again and see if it loads correctly. This step is quick, but it can make a big difference if the problem is tied to your network or location. If none of those fixes work, try another browser. Open Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft Edge, sign in to Lucidchart, and open the same document there. This is a great test, because if the file works in another browser, then the issue is most likely specific to Chrome rather than Lucidchart itself. It could be an extension, a browser setting, or even a corrupted profile. If Lucidchart loads properly in Firefox or Edge, you now know the app is functioning and the problem is isolated to your original browser. And that's it. By testing Lucidchart in incognito, disabling extensions, clearing cache, disconnecting VPNs, and trying another browser, you can usually fix crashing issues without wasting hours guessing. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple software solutions, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.